The Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center's Social Justice Bootcamp is a signature program dedicated and designed to prepare the next generation of social justice engineers.
I'm here today because I plan on attending this university. I plan on attending this college, but I'm mostly here for today because of my we're trying to stop gun violence in the world, period. But where do we start? That's my reason of being here today.
I'm here because I've always had a passion for the legal field in general. It's something I can see myself doing in the future, so I wanted to get any experience I could.
Yes, it's my first time here. So far what I've learned was that it's really good to know your rights, because when you know your rights, you're able to do things where you can protest against things that you feel that is racism to you and to others, and that it's okay to protest when you feel like it's wrong, because that's the way you make changes in life. And you also help lead for others.
My first time here, and I've learned a lot about how to cooperate with people, know more about your community, and how to fight for your rights.
I decided to come today to find better opportunities to help me, help my friends and other things like that, to find something to do after I'm done with school.
This is my first time here, and I'm definitely coming back next year. This was a great experience, and I will definitely come back again.
It is my first time here, and I think one thing I've learned so far is the importance of using the opportunities that you have, whether you realize it or not, and taking advantage of them, not only to help yourself, but your community and the people around you.
Events like this are important because we need to spread awareness for people who don't really know about what's really happening in the world and how important it is that we should find a way to fix the problem.
This was a good experience so far. It's definitely something I would recommend for other people to do. And then also, I learned to always just know your rights and to be attentive of what's being done to you.
I would say what I can take from the day I'm back home, I would definitely say that learning more about how to balance mental health, your physical health, and environmental health is something that you can take away, and I can also take away and use in my daily life.
What I learned last year was how you can make changes in your community, and your voice is important no matter what age or how much popularity you have. Yeah. Today I was learning about climate change and the difference between equality and justice.
My third and final year here.
What have you learned over?
I've learned about how mental health can impact us. Right now I'm learning about how our physical and spiritual health can also impact us. And then I've also been learning about inequality and how we can, do further change in our communities. I had a conversation about, inequality and how we can change inequality and things like that. It was actually really impactful on a lot of people that I was talking to. And I've also been doing facilitations at the General Assembly for my school's SGA. One skill that helped me the most was communication, because I wasn't really good with communicating with people before, and yeah, it really helped me communicate.
Things like this are important because it gives you a chance to meet new people, learn new perspectives. Other people can teach you things that they know that you might not have already known. It gives you new learning opportunities. Sometimes they even give you job opportunities. And overall, it's a really great learning experience. It's fun, it's helpful, and it can be very creative.
Events like this are important because they help people advocate for themselves and others, and they teach people about what they might want to do in the future.
The biggest takeaway, I would say this whole experience really, the boot camp in general is something really fun, and it's something I really never thought I would find an opportunity like this.
To look out of today's event, what I'm looking for is to be able to learn something new and to bring something back to my community.
One thing I can take away is the importance of advocating for what you believe in.
My biggest takeaway from today's session is most definitely learning how to value yourself over others. Always put yourself first and don't let others bring you down, and how health is very important to not only you but to those around you.
I'm here today because my school offered me the opportunity to come to a boot camp to experience new things and learn things not only about this college but different problems that are going on in this world.
Oh, boot camps like this are important because they can cause change in our communities. People can be, we can network with new people, things like that, and it's really important for the youth to be this first step for that change.
One of the things I've learned from the great judge is that being a leader is everything. And not only being a leader when it counts, but when it's hard. And being a Black man and being a leader is hard.
Some things that I have learned today that I could take back to my own community was about the topic stereotyping. Not to stereotype your own people, not to just look at a person and just make an immediate judgment. You should always get to learn the person first.
Some key takeaway things were that it's a lot of better opportunities out there to help you, solve problems out there in the world and other things that you go.